Hey everyone, it's Ember from the field. This week I thought to tell you about something we spend a lot of time doing this time of year in the spring. And we do this in the greenhouse. It's something we do for the seedling sale and also for the plants that go out into the field. And it's called potting up. And basically it's taking small little seedlings from one tray and potting up into a tray where it will have more space to grow and get big. Most of the time, the things that we seed in the greenhouse for the field, we seed directly into individual cells. And so I think I've showed you in the past. This is a most common tray that we seed into. It's a 128, so there are 128 cells in the tray, and we'll put 1 or 2 seeds per cell. It will grow here until it's ready for the field, and then we'll plant directly from here out into the fields. And we seed things like broccoli, lettuce, kale, cabbage, those kind of things go directly into celled trays like this. Other things like flowers, herbs, tomatoes, things that might take a little longer to germinate or might be a little finicky or have a low germination rate, we seed into open trays. So this here is an open tray, or open flat. Which basically means it just has no individual cells to it. And this is very useful in saving space and making sure that things fit on our heat mats to allow the seeds to germinate. And you can kind of see here, this is basil, and we make rows. There are 15 rows per tray, about 40 to 50 seeds per row. So this helps to condense the seeding into a manageable amount of space, so we can save space in the greenhouse where it's very, very full this time of year with the seedling sale. So that way, we save some space. And then when it's gotten, each little plant has gotten a bit bigger, and their true leaves come through, then we will take those individual plants and we will pot them up, as you can see, into a larger tray. So they have more space, the roots have more room, and they can get nice and tall and big. And then they'll go from here out into the field, or like with our seedling sale, we'll pot them up into like a 2-inch pot or into 4-packs. And like I said, we do this with tomatoes, peppers, eggplant, a lot of flowers. Most of the flowers we do this way. And again, it's a good way to save on space and to make sure they all fit on the heat mats, because that's really important this time of year. And it's, it takes some time and it's a bit tedious for some crops, but it's super important, and it's kind of fun to see the plant get nice and big, and it's clearly happy to have a bit more space. So yeah, I hope you learned something, and I'll catch you around. See you later. Bye.